Hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to Thrive and Belong. Here we show you how you can take different yoga poses and adapt them to find more comfort and more ease within your body. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means you'll be updated when we release new videos, and it is a really great way to support this kind of free yoga education online. In this video, I'm going to show you some modifications that you can make to one of my absolute favourite poses. Supta Baddha Reclined Butterfly Pose. This pose is an amazing stretch for your outer hips, and I find that because this pose is reclined, I feel so connected with the earth, I can find so much ease, and it's just a pose that I return to again and again in my own personal practice. However, when I teach it in classes, sometimes students don't feel entirely comfortable, and there are different ways that I can support students depending on what it is that's making the pose feel a little bit uncomfortable. So I'll start off by showing you the pose itself, and then we'll move into some modifications. So here is Supta Baddha, and we've got the soles of the feet together, the knees are dropping to the side, hands can either be by your side. I quite like to rest them on my lower belly here, connecting with my sacral chakra. And another option is to lift your arms up overhead, finding a nice shoulder stretch. Now, the first way that this pose can feel a little bit uncomfortable is that gravity can pull the knees a little bit closer to the floor than feels comfortable for the hips. And so the way that we modify this is to simply place blocks and wedge them underneath the thighs. Now, these blocks could be on the second highest height, they could be on the lowest height. You can adjust them to suit your own needs. And this just allows you to rest knowing that your knees are not going to drop down any further, and if you feel like you're getting a good enough stretch, a good enough external hip rotation, you can allow your breath to flow and just relax into this pose. The second issue that students can have in this pose is that being completely reclined is not always comfortable for everyone. So some people perhaps experience vertigo and they feel like being completely reclined makes them feel dizzy and uncomfortable. For students who may be pregnant in the later stages of pregnancy, it's not safe to be lying reclined for any length of time. And also sometimes students who maybe have a lot of congestion will start to feel kind of choked up if they lie on their back for too long as well. So the second way that I like to modify this pose is just to elevate the ground a little bit higher up. And my favourite way to do this is with the use of a bolster. So if you have a bolster at home, you can take your bolster and also a couple of blocks. So you could start with one block and see if this is enough of an elevation, or if you wanted to be up a little bit higher, you can layer multiple blocks and just put in the bolster over the top of the blocks, and from here very gently easing the upper body onto the bolster. You can bring the soles of the feet together, allowing the knees to drop to the side. So we're still getting the same hip opener here, but we just have that upper body elevated any amount that you need to feel good. From here, you can either stay here, or we can layer up our modifications by also bringing the blocks underneath the thighs. And again, hands can rest anywhere at all that feels good. So there you have it, some ways that you can modify your Supta Baddha to hopefully find a little bit more ease and comfort within the pose. Let me know in the comments if any of these were useful for you, and also if there's any more videos that you would like me to make. Thank you very much for practicing with me, and I will see you again in another video soon. Take care. If you enjoyed this video, come and join us for our online Patreon membership, Thrive Anywhere. Thrive Anywhere members get access to exclusive yoga practices uploaded every single week. Weekly oracle card readings to set you up for the week ahead, online programs such as Reset Your Routine, which is a 5-day program that helps you to build your own consistent yoga practice, and opportunities to connect with other members virtually too. The best part is that you can sign up today for Thrive Anywhere absolutely free of charge. We have a 7-day free trial so that you can test it out and you have literally nothing to lose. Thereafter, your membership fee will go towards supporting us to create more accessible and inclusive wellness offerings. You can find the link to sign up to Thrive anywhere in the description box of this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you again there soon. Take care.